Do you want to change nickname in Instagram chat? You can update your nickname in Instagram DMs with just a few simple steps. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to change nickname in Instagram chat. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. I've also added some helpful tools and apps in the description. Check them out after watching this video. To change a nickname in Instagram chat. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and log in if you haven't already. Once you're on Instagram, tap the message icon in the top right corner of the home screen to access your chats. Here, you will see a list of friends you've chatted with before. Find and open the chat where you want to change your nickname. On the chat conversation screen, tap the friend's name or group name at the top to access the settings. In the chat settings, locate and tap on the nicknames option under the theme section. You will see your name and your friend's name. Select your name to change the nickname for your friend. A pop-up screen will appear. Remove your current nickname and type the new one. Once you've entered the new nickname, tap Done to confirm. The new nickname will now appear in the chat and will be visible to both you and the other person or group members.